quick breaking update this afternoon where the Gulshan Kumar murder verdict is out, where the Bombay High Court has upheld the life sentence given to the accused Rauf Merchant, who was convicted for the murder of Gulshan Kumar in 1997. Abdul Rauf Merchant, who was an aide of gangster Dawood Ibrahim, was sentenced to a life-term imprisonment in 2002 for Gulshan Kumar's murder. That's the update that we are picking up from the Bombay High Court upholding the life sentence of Abdul Rauf Merchant in the murder case of Gulshan Kumar, who is said to be an aide of the gangster Dawood Ibrahim. Was sentenced to a life-term imprisonment in 2002 for Gulshan Kumar's murder. Let me straight away go across to Ananya, now joining us live. Ananya, what has been said by the Bombay High Court while upholding the life sentence to Rauf Merchant?
Well, yes, Rauf Merchant was convicted under the charges of murder, attempt to murder, and also criminal conspiracy, also 34, which is common intention. However, now the court has added a criminal conspiracy charge also against him. His conviction for life imprisonment is also upheld. He will now serve a life sentence. In fact, the court also said while pronouncing the judgment that he is not entitled for any remission because he had fled the justice twice. In fact, when the case happened in 1997, if I remind you that Gulshan Kumar was coming out of a temple in Juhu when he was shot dead. 16 bullets were shot on him. In fact, now Rauf Merchant has been convicted. He will serve a life imprisonment. The Bombay High Court has clearly said he is not entitled to any kind of remission because he had fled, in fact, after the incident happened, and he could only be arrested in 2001, after which the trial had concluded, and after which also when he was released on furlough, he again fled. So now he is not entitled to any remission. I should remind you that he was an aide of the gangster Dawood Ibrahim, and now his conviction has been upheld. In fact, the business rival of Gulshan Kumar, the tips owner Ramesh Taurani's acquittal has also been upheld. The state's appeal against his acquittal has been dismissed by the Bombay High Court. This is the clear development that has taken place in the Gulshan Kumar murder case. Now, the legal recourse available with the Rauf is basically that he might approach the Supreme Court in an appeal against the Bombay High Court's order, and after which the Supreme Court will hold a hearing and would decide if the life imprisonment would continue or remission would be allowed to Rauf Merchant. Back to you.
All right, let me go across to Yesha, also joining us live at this point. Ananya, stay on with us. Now, Yesha, what has been said in the Bombay High Court? Because taking note of Abdul Rauf's criminal background, the bench had thereafter decided and clarified that he will not be entitled to any remission in his prison term.
That's right. So what we'd seen was Satish Mane Shinde, who had appeared for Rauf, had mentioned that there'd be remission which is granted on good grounds. But what really happened was that, considering he was convicted sometime in 2002, now this case actually dates back to 1997 when Gulshan Kumar was killed at Juhu when he was stepping out of a temple, and as a result of which there were approximately 18 people who were a part of the entire trial in the 2001-2002. But what really happened was today, there was an appeal that was filed for the remission, but in this case, court has upheld the life imprisonment for Raut, as well as what we see was Ramesh Taurani's name also cropped up in the entire case. Now, as a result of which, he is also been serving sentence, but there's an official statement which is yet awaited from his family members. But now what we see is, particularly in this case, the court had absolutely mentioned that, considering his criminal background and considering that he's an aide of Dawood, there were various such instances of this Rauf which had come up because he had fled to Bangladesh after this entire incident, and as a result of which the court did not give him any reprieve, and his life imprisonment was upheld. Yes.
All right, Yesha, Ananya, thanks very much for joining us. That's the update of the Bombay High Court upholding the life sentence given to the accused Rauf Merchant in the Gulshan Kumar murder case of 1997. With that, we'll be going across to a quick commercial break coming up.